This video will show you how to use Microsoft's Immersive Reader with Flocabulary. Immersive Reader is a great tool that can read text aloud to you and let you adjust the text in different ways to help with reading. Immersive Reader is available on Flocabulary's Read and Respond and Quiz activities. So if your teacher assigns you these activities and has Immersive Reader turned on for your class, you will see the option when you go into the activity. Next to each question, you'll see the Immersive Reader icon, and you can click that to enter Immersive Reader mode. There you'll see the same text and question as on the Flocabulary website, and you can click the play icon to have it read aloud to you. You can also click the voice settings option to change the speed of the text to go faster or slower. After you've had the text read aloud to you and considered your answer to the question, click the Exit button to go back to the Flocabulary website and make your answer choice. Then you can go on to the next question and click the Immersive Reader icon again to have this one read aloud to you. Some other great features of Immersive Reader are found on these buttons at the top. Under Text Preferences, you can change the size of the text or increase the spacing between lines to make it easier to read. Under Grammar Options, you can also show the syllables in words so that you can read aloud to yourself. And here in Reading Preferences, you can change the line focus to focus on just one or a few lines at a time to make it easier to read. And you can translate the text into the language you'd like. First, select the language that you would like, and then select by document, and that will translate the whole text into the language you'd like, so you can have it read aloud to you in this language. Finally, you can also access a picture dictionary. Click a word and you will be able to see it and hear it pronounced, as well as see a picture of it. Happy reading!